Okay, so this was my first time ever getting into a certified animal company event. The event was a Yeet Blade battle. You don't know what it is? It's that grappler sword thing. And yeah. So subscribe and grab some popcorn.
Yes.
Hi, bro.
Yes.
Wait.
Hi, moderator.
Wait, who's the moderator? Who's the moderator?
I'm here.
Yeah, who is
Me,
it?
I'm here.
Yeah.
Wait, where's the
Wait,
you have to mop.
Yo, wait, I need to do my Yeet Blades.
Wait.
Hello. Come on, fight.
Oh, that's cool. Why are they pink over here? Oh, we have to fight.
Oh yeah. Let's go.
Oh,
Hold on, guys.
Oh my god. This is my first event I've ever been in. Hey, Attack on Titan style. Attack! Sneak attack!
Kill you.
I got him. Okay. I love this. Okay, let's go.
Kitty cat.
Come on. Oh.
Get over.
Get over, Blue. Get over, Blue.
Oh my god, this kills.
It's already so.
I'm lagging.
There's blood everywhere. There's so much blood.
I'm killing the moderator. I'm killing the mon.
Oh my god, my game.
I'm red watch. Okay. Oh my god, my hand.
Yo, Mod, what's up? Get that. Come here! Ah! You are not beating me!
No.
Get over here. Get over here.
I'm red watch.
No.
I killed them.
Come on.
Moderator, are we allowed to use the boom spin? Yeet blades.
No, only Yeet Blades.
Boom speed ever, I think it's fine.
I gotta leave then.
Too much
I'm gonna get
You
bombed.
can't get me.
That's 5 HP. I'm gonna get bombed.
Wait, we can use the boom spear?
It's so laggy, bro. Then I'll beat you.
Oh. Yo, wait. Hey, you. Let's team.
Let's team.
Team.
Everyone. Yo, can you go get me
What? You a what?
Can you give me an ERE? Can you I need an
Here.
ERE.
Here, cover me.
I need-
I'm going in.
No, it's another invisible area. Oh my god.
Get the
Henry.
Get the Titan. Where's the Titan at? Yeah, I kind of just want to get it.
I can't.
The Titan has been taken.
Eric, can you believe it? We're in a moderator code.
Where are you?
Come here. I'm right here.
Okay.
I'm right here.
Come here.
Miners.
Come up here.
Cool. Moderator.
Come here. Where are you?
Yeah, I'm on the moon, by the way, for anyone that...
Hey. Go.
I thank you.
Bro, I got you one.
Here, please. I have like 5 HP.
Okay, I'm full now.
Alright, next.
Okay.
Let's go.
I think we're the only
I'm
people that
beautiful,
didn't actually respawn, maybe.
Yo,
Who killed you, bro?
space map. Go to the space map. Go to space.
Come here, boy. No. Wait, who was it? Who killed me? Oh no, someone used the
You
RPG
said
and
that
not
we can
even.
use.
Rocket launchers, bros.
Yeah, but not only
Yes, you did.
only a boom
Not
spear,
too
not
much.
actual RPG.
Yeah, I'm not overusing it. Well, I'm trying to go to the moon.
Yeah, I'm going to go to the moon.
Titan. We're all on the same team right now.
No. Wait. Hey, I'm still standing after all this time. At a better piece, but not my life. Without you all my life, I'm still standing. Yeah. Go! No! Get out! Stay out! No! I died!
Some people...
Not really. Kinda.
Bro, I
People
died.
allowed to use them with you. Wait, do you have them a mount?
You can use it once. No.
I'm heading out.
Dang it. Ooh, I'm gonna get
I already did it, so I can't do it.
Yes! Yes! Haha. Attack! He's Red Watch! Yo, attack! The police is going insane! Hey, I gotta grab onto one of these cars. So, here, grab this.
Guys, just
What the fuck? Ah! What the heck?
if you want to.
Okay, they can't explode now. Cool. There. Wait, where's the moderator? Wait, where's the moderator?
Kill the
I wanna be on
Holy! Bro, this is sick. I love it.
Got him.
No!
Damn.
I want to come over here and then we'll, I'll take a photo of all of you and then I'll post it and
Giant fight back!
everyone
Giant fight back!
everyone go to next to TV. Everyone go to
Go to TV. I'm here.
I'll take a photo. I'll take a photo of you guys and I'll post it in events.
Wait.
I want to go to Kiev and go to Moscow.
Go over here. Go here, and then I'll take a photo.
Okay.
Wait.
Ah!
Come over to take a photo. Come over to take a photo.
Hey, right, give what?
Big guy, move. You're behind. This way. This way.
Yeah, come on, this is my first event.
I want to be part of it. This is my
Is
first
everyone there? Okay, I'm gonna take it now.
Wait.
Say cheese. The fight.
Die! I'm gonna kill you! I'm gonna kill you! Get over here!
Kill the giant.
No, I don't care anymore! I don't care anymore! I don't care! Yeah, I just killed. Come here! I'm gonna kill you, chameleon!
Fight back!
Hey, you guys can't kill me! You guys can't kill me!
Here's an ODM.
Come here, boy!
I'm also wait!
We gotta get out of here.
We're leaving
Come here, Blue! Come here! No! End of event! Thank you! Hey! Thank you! This is my first event!
Welcome.
Hey guys.
Now get over here, moderator! I'm gonna kill you!
Moderator, I'm not attacking you. Come here,
Get over here! He's going for me! He went for me! He was attacking my body!
Bro, they killed me right before I got the
No, the
space.
moderator was attacking my body!
Moderator, no.
Bro, this is my first event.
Me
too.
Let's go!
I'm gonna be featured on Discord. Let's go.
I know, me too.
Famous.
Let's go!
I'm the giant. I was the giant. Right?
Yeah, I saw.
Hopefully I was in the photo.
Yeah. Let's go! Go! Quick! I need weapons! I need weapons! Yeah, right now I'm making a video.
Yo, I gotta go kill a giant.
Guys, I see this. I'm gonna point out.
Wait, fight the wolves! What? Whoa, that's kind of rude.
I'm gonna point out one person and we'll...
Come here! No, I don't care no more. Oh, murder! The moderator's going for me, probably.
Revive me.
Guys.
I killed. Here, I got you. I'll revive you. Revive him!
Get the giant.
Revive him! We got you! Yeah, he died again! Bro, I just killed the moderator. Let's go.
Bro, everyone that's small, you're not supposed to kill anyone else that's small. We're all on the same team.
Yeah, we're all gonna kill all the giants.
Okay, bet. I'll be a giant.
Keep your side. We're all on the
Yo, this.
Don't kill me when I go out.
Too
At
many
least
people can't be giants, bro. Y'all are not the main characters, bro.
let me at least get to the moon. Let me get to the moon.
Everybody's just a pick me in this game because I want every single person to be a giant, man.
Come here.
I'm Aaron Yeager.
Hey, don't
Every
kill me.
single person is
Not yet.
Okay, no,
battle, bro.
Yo, kill the giant.
You will never live to see another day.
Y'all cannot be.
I think that's an Invincible reference. I don't know. Hey. Are you trying to kill the? Oh, I thought that was the moderator.
Titans unite!
Hey, bro.
Hey, man.
Yo, everybody's just pick me's, bro.
Wait.
This is really cool.
Got it. I got it. Fixed, bro. Got it.
We got guys. How many guys? So I'm gonna choose one player. And we're all gonna echo them with these blades.
What?
I say we all get. I'm gonna choose a random player and then we're all gonna kill them with these blades.
Wait.
You're
I
gonna choose a
want.
random player?
Yeah, choose one. Oh god.
Guys, come back to spawn. He's
Everyone
gonna
come here,
want you to choose a random person.
People are griefing too much and they're
Guys,
just,
come
and they're
back to
just using
spawn.
RPGs.
It's me who gave you the one.
Also, everyone's becoming a giant, bro. Like, bro, you
Yeah, everyone
can.
kill this guy! Kill this guy! Kill this guy!
Yeah, I'm staying away. Wait, do you have the? Is that the painter bat? Yo.
These kids
You have
all
the
want
painter
to be a
hat.
giant, bro.
Wait, where's the mod? Oh, wait.
Megami, that is not okay. Megami, that is not okay. That is not okay. You know what? Look, I will survive.
Big stars.
I love how the moderator is just going, yo, get over here. I'm gonna kill you.
Mercy!
Hey, whoever kills him, can we,
Megami,
get
I
something?
beat
Can we
one
get company
by the
points if we
FBI.
kill
Big
him?
stars, I figured out who's griefing.
Hey, give us company points if we kill him.
Kill him!
Why are we trying to kill him?
Because the moderator said so.
Are there any Titans?
Guys,
Kill this big guy! Kill the big guy! Kill this guy because he's big!
Wait. I got him.
Don't kill me! Wait, is Megami here?
Yeah.
What? I tried to revive you!
Hey!
I'm Aaron Yeager! Get back here! I need Attack Titan, nobody kill me.
Monkey!
Kill!
Help, I'm Aaron Yeager! I'm Aaron Yeager! I'll protect the city!
Let's kill every giant. Let's make sure all the giants are gone.
Hey yo, I'm Aaron Yeager! Don't kill me! I'm Aaron Yeager! Chill! I'm the Titan! I'm Aaron Yeager!
Come here!
Become giant now because they're just big.
Get Emily.
Giant.
Come here,
Bro, I love this. This is so fun.
Can you add me?
He's the new Titan!
There should be a limit on how many people should be
Honestly,
giant.
guys, don't count. Honestly, guys.
Make a limit to how many giants there can be.
Having infinite giants.
Kick this black guy!
It's the black mom.
Whoa!
Use RPG!
It's the black.
Oh, I
Go on the
thought.
culture. Go on the culture.
Go on the what?
Go on the culture instead, and I'll do something else. You guys
One of the
want to keep
people
doing
griefing is Monkey. You're one of the griefers.
You guys want to keep?
I saw you.
You guys want to keep on doing like meat blades, or do you guys want to change the fish fights?
Let's change.
Spice it up!
Glasses is the griefer.
Okay, change the fists. Change the
Glasses is the
fists.
griefer. How am I?
Make it strike hands! Yes!
Yo, kick him, bro, kick him.
Oh my god! Now let's go.
Hulk! Bro, I'm lagging!
I know there's so many people.
I know, even though there's only like 12. Ah! Come here!
I'm a person. Oh, I just got lost.
Attack!
Stop using RPGs, bro.
Yeah.
Stop using
guys,
We
RPGs.
have to fight at the deck. Fight at the deck.
Dog.
Why are you big? Fight at the what? Why are you big? Wait, fight at the what?
Yo, Cat, stop. You're big. Bro, Cat's big.
Hey,
This is.
punch him off, punch him off.
You're supposed to be big, you cheater.
You guys are supposed to be big. They're being big.
Oh, I thought we were just gonna be any size. Yeah.
These cheaters.
Go! Zesty!
So, can I
Yo, kick the people that are being big, man. Oh, the moderator's here!
Anyone who's big, are you
Mega
retarded
Me.
or are you retarded?
Mega me, come
I
here!
still survive.
Mega Me.
Thanks for watching.
Jolly bees.
Small guy. Bro, no sword.
Oh shit!
Bro, I hate this small guy, bro. He keeps getting big. I'm dead.
I'll try to combat. I'm gonna try and combat the mole guy.
Hey, I'm chill. Hey,
Guys, get the mole. Get the mole. Everyone team on the mole.
Pull your
Yeah, get the
grappling.
mole, bro. Mass target the big mole.
We need to get him.
Guys, don't worry, I'm gonna try and combat it.
Everyone!
keeps being
Avengers!
big.
Assemble!
Bro, you're not even using.
Avengers!
Guys, I got it.
Assemble!
I tried to get the mole guy.
Get them all!
Breaking the rules, then I can.
Oh,
Everyone just go.
Damn. Oh my god,
Black
there's
Skeleton, I
so much
figured out who it was. It was Black Skeleton.
Come here!
Run alive.
Come here!
Why is there so much blood?
Kill
Need ammo,
Meguri!
Cat.
So he's a P-word.
He's
okay
getting
if I give up
MREs!
some
He's
food?
healing!
Like offense. Offense.
Yeah, stick fight.
I'm
wants
the
to get
only
super
German
punched?
shepherd that should be here!
Hey, stand still. I want to
get super punch.
stay still. Oh, it doesn't work that well.
No, guys! Who wants to go flying? Who wants to go flying?
No.
Who wants to go flying? Who wants to go flying?
Look at their YouTube. Look at their YouTube. Free stuff. Come get
Who
it.
wants to go flying? Hey, who wants? You guys want to go flying? You want to go flying? You want to go flying?
Get your stuff. Get your stuff.
Hey! Boom!
No, I'm cool.
I'm using the power of something. What the heck?
Yo, rare items, guys!
I got you.
Wait.
Are you seeing something?
What? Hey, why do I have a key card?
Wait, where's the pink? Look, pink, can I jump out? Yo, pink, I'm gonna do a giveaway.
Mega Me, can I have a
I'm
talk
gonna
with
jump out
you?
my bag.
Real quick. Mega Me.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine by me. I don't mind.
Okay, I'm gonna give y'all some rare items. You want some
Guys,
rare items?
should we all get 2 flare guns and all launch
Wait,
at once?
guys, I'm giving you some rare items.
Yes.
Get flare guns! Get flare guns!
Yes, get flare guns.
Oh my.
Flare
gun.
Oh, you get the flare, bro. I'm getting
No yet. Oh my god,
I'm
2
giving
at
you
once.
rare items. I'm giving you rare items.
3,
1, 2.
2,
1!
That's so many! There's so many for me.
Let's go!
What the heck?
Let's go!
Wait, pink.
That's not nice.
Pink, I got you back with rare items.
Who did that?
I'm getting out more
Guys,
items.
rare items.
No! Hey, someone go out there now! I can't see a thing.
I gave you some rare
I'm gonna
items.
get 2 impulse
Oh,
nades and
G
I'm gonna launch
scanner?
them. I'm organizing
Oh, everyone get 2 impulse grenades.
He's dying, no!
Impulse grenades!
Guys, everyone get 2 impulse grenades. Bro, I can't see anything, bro.
I'm coming.
Everyone get 2 impulse
Wait,
grenades.
where's Megumi?
Get 2 impulse
Oh,
Okay, enable it.
Let's go!
Whoa, get ready!
No!
know why.
By any chance.
I like the
Let's
barbecue.
go!
Was it in
Hey,
a
where's
fight?
Mega Me?
Launcher.
I think so. It was kind of weird. It was in a public, but I wasn't sure. There's about 6 of us.
Okay,
Oh, you mean it's a 35?
that's gonna be it.
And plus, good.